Soon, the front of Thomas Jefferson High School could look a lot more like this. It's part of a $90 million plan to update the Science and Technology School. Dr. Evan Glazer says now is the time to update the building, which hasn't seen a facelift in more than 20 years.
The way in which we operate classes, the way in which we integrate curriculum is much different now than it was then.
The design would add a new science lab, classrooms, and 100,000 square feet to the campus. Now more than 1,800 students are crammed into aging classrooms and mobile units.
Our school has been operating under an educational system of the 21st century, but it's been in the body of a school that was created in 1964.
The $90 million bill would be split among Fairfax County and neighboring jurisdictions. Thomas Jefferson is a regional school, which means that almost 20% of the student body lives outside Fairfax County. Glazer says if those other jurisdictions don't pay, students from Loudoun, Arlington, and other systems may no longer be welcome at Thomas Jefferson.
Starting in 2014, new students couldn't be admitted from those participating districts. And the change then would be additional students from Fairfax County.